Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm Excel bitness and that Kutools was installed for that build. Open Excel and scan the ribbon for a Kutools tab. That tab is the quickest visual cue. Once you do not see it, go to File, Options, Add-ins, then Manage COM add-ins and disabled items. Make sure Kutools is enabled. Enabling the COM add-in restores the ribbon entry. Also make sure Excel is closed and reopened after toggling add-ins to force the ribbon to refresh. Once Kutools is visible, explore its grouped modules. Range, editing, worksheet, and more, they organize dozens of utilities. You access a tool by clicking its group, scanning icons, or using the Kutools search box to type a keyword. This saves time versus hunting menus. When you run a tool, read its dialog options carefully, make a small test on a sample sheet, and confirm the result. This verifies both functionality and expected settings, so you understand how a feature changes your workbook. Finish by restarting Excel and running one practical task to ensure Kutools behaves as expected. Verify license activation if required. Make sure to customize the ribbon if you want Kutools placed beside other tabs for faster access. If something goes wrong, here is the key troubleshooting tip. Check file options, add-ins, and open disabled items, then re-enable Kutools. Also review Trust Center macro and ActiveX settings, and run a repair from programs and features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.